Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation SLM, which stands for slip marker. Markers are used, generally speaking, to indicate where you're going to perform a particular action. They can indicate a beginning of a round, especially when you're crocheting with single crochet stitches, when you're making plushies or anything like that. Or they can be used to hold your loop. If you're gonna use your hook somewhere else, you might want to take that out, and to ensure your work is not unraveling, you would put a stitch marker in there. But in this example here, I've got a V-stitch in the center of this whatever shape I'm creating, and that's where my increases are happening. So I have marked it with a V-stitch or with a stitch marker, and because the larger a piece gets, the harder it becomes to see. It's just a nice visual. So let's go ahead and slip that marker. So I'm gonna crochet to the point of the marker, and I'm just doing double crochet because they're fast and I like doing them. So here I have gotten to the space where the marker is, and I know it's a V-stitch. So I'm gonna take that out, put that to the side, create my V-stitch that I know goes there. And put it back, lock it in for the next row. So the next time when I'm coming back, I know exactly when to perform that action. So there you go. That's slip marker, SLM.